Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. If you're not a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button. I am JUVIA'S and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for following me. So guys, I know I've not been uploading videos like often. I'm sorry guys, but I'm back now, okay? I know, I miss you guys too. So guys, today I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be using old and new makeup, and I'm going to be using these new brushes by Real Technique. These are not new in the market, but I just got them sent to me recently and I decided to do a video on it for you guys. So that is what I use today for my look. If you want to see how I use these brushes and some other new products, stay tuned for this video. To be showing you guys the new Real Technique. Not really new, it's new to me because this was just sent to me on the mail, and these are the Real Technique brush crush collection. So I'm going to be using this in this video today. So they look like this without the case on it, and this is the 301 foundation brush. Looks so cute. And it looks like the Real Technique powder blue, the way the handle is being made. This Urban Decay came out with like a mix-in facial oil liquid foundation booster. This right here, it should be interesting. So it looks like this. Just a facial serum. They say you can use it with your foundation to give you, like, to make the foundation blend better. You know how you put a drop on Instagram and all that, like yeah. So prime my face using the Fenty Beauty primer. I can't find my way back to you until you make amends. I'm going to use the Fenty foundation, okay, in the shade 410. With the demons you've been through. So we are going to use this. They say this helps blend your foundation. So we're going to apply this on my face. Then I'm going to blend with the Real Technique brush crush 301. This is the foundation brush. When I put this foundation on, I say, oh, this foundation is too light for your skin. It oxidizes because the 420 is too red for me and I have golden undertone. This brush feels like a stapling brush. The Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. The All Nighter Concealer, let's try Deep Golden. Oh, Dark Natural is a bit light. Oh, that looks really nice. So I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery yellow powder. I don't think I'll leave this powder to like sit here. Let me quickly dust it off. And I'm dusting it off using the 300 brush. I'll just use this. Oh yeah, this is pretty. I'll use the contouring brush, which is the 303 brush. I'll use this to blend it out. Cover any harsh line that I ever have in my life. Oh. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. I'll use the foundation brush to blend out the harsh line. Don't let me drown. JUVIA'S blush palette. I'm going to use this. These two shades right here. can use the, but I don't want to use this one, the 302. You can use this to contour and broad, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use this to highlight. I like this brush for highlighting, so I'll just use the powder brush. That is cute. My face powder, and this is by NYX. This is the NYX powder foundation in the shade Caramel. I use the ABH brow pomade.
Until you find your way back home.
So I'll just apply the concealer on my lid as an eyeshadow base. First, I'm going to apply powder underneath my eyes for fallout from the eyeshadow. JUVIA'S blush palette. So I'll just use this for my eyes today. So I'll start with this shade right here, Barry Technique. So I'm going to take this one right here, and this one is called the 305. To take this, dust off the excess, then apply this on my crease. I'm going to take this. Just use this on the outer and the inner of the eyes. I'm going to take the shade right here. Oh God, look at the pigment on that. I'm not even going to do anything else to these eyes today. 3 in A eyeliner pencil. This is the LA Girl black liner. So I just take those two colors that we use. I'll use that to blend out my under eyes.
I can't regret leaving you alone.
I'm going to highlight now. I'm going to use the, let me try the fan brush first. And I'm still going to use the JUVIA'S blush palette. I've been using this palette. I use it for the eyes, use it to contour, use it for blush. Now I'm going to use it to highlight. So I'm going to take the highlight shade, these two shades.
Until you find your way back home.
So I'll use the 302 brush. I'll use that to get the corners that the fan brush did not get for me. So the lashes I'm going to use. I'm going to use the GWA lashes. I got this from Savers for like £2. So I'm going to use this BUXOM liner. My sister in the Lord, let me respect myself and put this lip liner back. This is the BUXOM liner. This is another color of the liner. I'll find the name I put on the description bar. I'll take this ABH lipstick. Like, I've been liking this red lipstick, and is in the shade Rebel. BUXOM mascara. I just spray my face with the All Nighter Spray by Urban Decay. This is the final look. I hope you like the way the look turned out. I decided to just pair it with a bold lip, and the eyes is also bold as well, halo eyes. I decided to just play with the makeup. I actually like the Urban Decay concealer. It dries really well. It's good for oily skin, but for dry skin I would tell you to stay away from it. It's going to like dry you out, but they say it's, I believe when they say this is waterproof because it dries really fast. You don't even need to set it. So this concealer is nice for oily skin and combination skin. So now that I know how it works, I will try and work better with it on the next video that I'm going to use it. Okay, so I actually like this. I also like the brushes by Technique that I used today. All the brushes that I used today, like the Brush Crush collection. I like these brushes. I recommend them. If they are still available, I'll link them at the description bar for you to get them. 1 or 2 would be nice. The powder brush is really nice. I actually like the foundation and the contouring brush. So Technique brushes are big, and they come in the hand like this, just like the powder blue. I don't have them right here to compare them, but if you see me use the powder blue, the blue one, you know what I'm saying. They look like that. So guys, and let me talk about the oil from Urban Decay. This is actually nice to blend out your foundation. I like this. I'll use it again. So, and everything else will be at the description bar if you're interested in getting them, and I will link everything as usual. So if you have any more questions and any more makeup suggestion that you want me to do on this channel, please leave them at the comment section. Sorry guys, I've been slacking of late. I have not been uploading as I used to because I've like, you know, doing at that time in your life where everything is not just like you're thinking, it's not just there. So I've been like slacking, but I'm back now. I'm going to start putting up videos and start putting up more content. So let me know what video that you want to see next at the comment section, and I'm going to do that for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.